6 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Many people claimed it can reveal a wide range of health complaints, but you may be wonder what the research says. Apple cider vinegar has various health benefits. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it may offer health benefits such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. However, little research exists and further studies are needed before it can be recommended as an alternative therapy. This article looks at the evidence behind 6 possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made via a 2-step process. First, the manufacturer exposes crushed apple to yeast, which ferments the sugar and turns them into alcohol. Next, they add bacteria to further ferment the alcohol, turning into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Acetic acid gives vinegar its strong, sour smell and flavor. Researchers believe this acid is responsible for apple cider vinegar's health benefits. Cider vinegars are 5 to 6% acetic acid. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that gives a product a murky appearance. Some people believe that the mother is responsible for most of its health benefits, although there are currently no studies to support this. While apple cider vinegar doesn't contain many vitamins or minerals, it offers a small amount of potassium. Quality brands also contain some amino acids and antioxidants. Number 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can help kill pathogens including bacteria. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds more than 2000 years ago. Vinegar is also good preservative and studies show it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you are looking for natural ways to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could. Anecdotal reports also suggest that diluted apple cider vinegar could help with acne when applied to the skin, but there doesn't seem to be very strong research to confirm this. Number 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. To date, one of the most convincing application of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by high blood sugar levels caused by insulin resistance or the inability to produce insulin. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. The most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar level is to avoid refined carb and sugar, but apple cider vinegar may also have a beneficial effect. Research suggests that vinegar offers the following benefit for blood sugar and insulin levels. A small study suggests vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lower blood sugar and insulin response. In a small study in 5 healthy people, vinegar reduced blood sugar by 31.4% after eating 50 grams of white bread. A small study in people with diabetes reports that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. Numerous other studies in humans show that vinegar can improve insulin function and lower blood sugar levels after meals. The National Centers of Complementary and Integrative Health says it's very important that people don't replace medical treatment with unproven health products. If you are currently taking blood sugar lowering medications, check with your healthcare provider before increasing your intake of any type of vinegar. Number 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show it. Number 4. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to eat fewer calories and lose weight. For example, according to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. Furthermore, a study in 175 people with obesity showed that daily apple apple cider vinegar consumption led to reduced belly fat and weight loss. Taking 1 spoon, 12 ml, led to a loss of 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kg. Taking 230 ml led to loss of 3.7 pounds. However, keep in mind that this study went on for 3 months, so the true effects on body weight seem to be rather modest. That said, simply adding or subtracting single foods or ingredients rarely has a noticeable effect on weight. It's your entire diet or lifestyle that creates long-term weight loss. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar and reducing insulin levels. Number 5. Improves heart health in animals. Heart disease is one of the leading cause of death. Several biological factors are linked to your risk of heart disease. Researchers suggest that vinegar could improve several of these risk of factors. However, many of studies were concluded in animals. These animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as several other heart disease risk factors. Some studies in rats have also shown that vinegar reduces blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and kidney problems. However, there is no good evidence that vinegar benefits heart health in humans. Researchers need to do more studies before reaching any strong conclusions. Number 6. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a most remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. The skin is naturally slightly acidic. Using topical apple cider vinegar could help rebalance the natural pH of the skin, improving the stiff skin barrier. On the other hand, alkaline soap and cleansers could irritate eczema, making symptoms worse given its antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar could, in theory, help prevent skin infections linked to eczema and other skin conditions. Some people dilute apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. However, one study in 22 people with eczema reports that apple cider vinegar soaks with don't improve the skin barrier and cause skin irritation. Talk to your healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially on damaged skin. Avoid applying undiluted vinegar on the skin as it can cause burns.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.